It's Valentine's Day and many people are going to receive some flowers. The question is, after Valentine's Day, what do you do with them? For the eucalyptus, we could hang it and dry it and use it just to freshen up the house. But what about the flowers? Can we use the seeds and start new flowers? Let's find out. All right, earlier this year, my grandson gave me some flowers, and what I did is I hung them on a cabinet and I let them dry out for a good month and a half. So now let's take the seeds and see if they sprout. All right, the end result of trying to sow the seeds of store-bought flowers was not a good success. We had like 3 that came up. The rest I forgot to take the plastic off. But what happens is when they're store-bought, they're picked before they're even opening. So the seeds never really form. Now, on the farm, when Stefan cuts flowers, the dog's really loud, it has time to have the seeds. But what I suggest is that some of these make great dried arrangements. And I'll use these for years to come, a great remembrance. But Stefan,
these are really loud. But when
it actually rooted.
It did for the foot time and the universe.
In the universe. But happy Valentine's Day. Don't throw away your flowers. Dry them, make potpourri, and bring everything. But this is Happy Valentine's from Campbell's Freedom Farm.
In 2 weeks, and we'll make a video about planting gifts.
Oh yeah, that's true. And Happy Valentine's Day from what, your channel?
Yep.
You want to tell them what it is?
Cooking with
Cooking with Taylor and Stefan.
But the one thing is, I'm gonna make a new recipe in a month maybe. I still coming out with one.
Okay, he really loves to cook. He's actually very good at it. But it's the family restaurant businesses.
Yeah, I think I need to open up a restaurant. Yeah, Yummo.
That's a great way to lose money. Happy Valentine's Day. Please subscribe, like, and...
Yeah, and if you want to get money, you don't need to make up a job. It's true. Make a job.
Bye.